Admittedly, and I have moved a few times, but I have never used movers to move everything in my house before. And as I get old, I don't want to do moving. So, and obviously I'm moving in a few weeks. So I reached out to a local mover, Bridges Brothers. Actually, they came highly recommended from a bunch of different people. So I figured I would start with them. And I'm going to document my process of going through the moving, just the whole experience. So tomorrow is my my appointment with them. And so what I love about them so far is that they do some things virtually. If I'm a busy person in my business, but I'm also busy like getting ready to move and packing boxes. So the least amount of time I can focus on other things, the better off I am. So what they do is they've got a virtual program that we are going to do our appointment with tomorrow, where with my phone or computer, I'm not sure which camera I'm going to use, but we go around and basically identify all of the things that they need to move, which is everything. And then they'll do a quote based on that. So I think that's pretty cool that we can do that without, it's like nobody's got to come out. I don't have to sit at my house all afternoon. It's going to be a lot easier, I think. And apparently it's a lot more accurate too. So we'll see how that goes. So the other thing is packing. I have some packing tips because I'm doing a lot of it right now. Paper is your friend. So one of my clients, thank you so much, Lori, gave me boxes of the packing paper. That stuff is your friend. Crumple it up, put it on the bottom of every single box you have with anything that's potentially breakable in it. And that's going to cushion everything, and then do the same thing on top. And then it's just awesome for going in between layers and whatever. And listen, at the end of the move, you can burn it all. The other thing is, if you're moving, ask your real estate agent or ask them to reach out to people in their office for boxes. I'm shuffling boxes around for so many people right now, and it's great because I'm getting boxes, but also I'm able to give boxes to other people. And boxes are expensive, and it's ridiculous that we're not reusing them as many times as possible. So that's another little tip and trick for moving. The other thing that I'm making sure that I'm doing is labeling my boxes really well. And I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. The last time I moved, every room had a different color tape that I just wrapped around the top of the box. So it's just easier, my brain, it's easier to know where that box goes. So they're labeled, they have got colored tape, and then it also says what room it is, and hopefully that makes things go a little bit more smoothly and efficiently. I'm going to let you know how my appointment goes tomorrow, and hopefully I can document some of it for the internet. Now I'm going to go have my girl breakfast, which is 2 cinnamon and brown sugar Pop-Tarts. So healthy. Have a great day.